is Nefertari, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a stone in your jewelry. First, we're going to need an adhesive, the jewelry piece that has lost the stone, and the replacement stones. We're going to also need a tool to help us to replace the stones. Today I'm going to use my flathead pliers. I'm going to pick up the jewelry piece that has lost the stone, and then I'm going to replace the stone using the adhesive. I'm going to apply the adhesive to the component that is missing the stones. Since the adhesive has been applied, we can begin applying our stones. One at a time, being careful that they land in the proper place. And I just keep replacing the stones until the entire piece is filled. Again, this can be a tedious task depending on how small the stones are, and these are rather small. And now we have replaced all the stones in our jewelry component that was missing stones. So now you know how to replace a stone in your jewelry.